Hi students, your exams are finally over. Congratulations. Now it's time to focus on your future journey. At RIMT University, we are here to guide you. Visit us for free counseling sessions and explore the best career options tailored for you. Choose from a wide range of programs in engineering and technology, management and commerce, law and legal studies, agriculture and sciences, pharmaceutical sciences, computer applications in IT, design and fine arts, hospitality and tourism, journalism and mass communication, health sciences and paramedical, and many more. That's not all. Avail special scholarships for admissions and take the first step towards a bright future. So why wait? Visit RIMT University and shape your future with the best.